Hi guys, welcome to Craft It Up. Today we're going to make a boutique hair bow like this one right here. And for this we are going to need 30 inches of a 1.5 inch wide ribbon. In this case I'm going to use grosgrain ribbon. And a matching color that's 5/8 inch wide. Okay, it's just a little piece of that for the center of the bow. We're going to need a needle with some thread. I like to use embroidery thread because it doesn't break as easily as normal thread does. A lighter, an alligator clip, and a hot glue gun. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to fold our 1.5 inch wide ribbon in half. We're going to fold it in half, and with our lighter we're going to just heat it up a little bit, and we are going to crease it. Okay, we are going to mark our creases. Then what we're going to do is we're going to get the other end of the ribbon and we're going to fold it about 2 inches in, like this. Okay, and we're also going to heat that up and crease it. And then we're going to fold in half again. Okay, heat and crease. The heat just helps mark the creases better. Okay, and then we're going to open it up. Okay, and you should see all your marks there. So we're going to get our first mark right here. Okay, and we are going to make a loop, and we are going to take it to this next crease right here, and we're going to make like an X with the 2 creases. Okay, an X like that. Okay, then we're going to get our next mark right here, and we are going to loop it around also and make an other X with this crease and this one, like this. Okay, so you should have something like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the next crease, and this one we're going to loop around and we're going to tuck under the second layer of ribbon. You have the first one, now the second, and we're going to tuck this one in between the second and the third layer of ribbon. Okay, but we're going to want to push it back all the way in. Okay, so grab that crease and tuck it in there all the way back. Okay, so you should have something like that. All right, now go to your next mark on the other end, and we're going to loop it around also. Loop it around and make an X again with this crease and the one right here, like that. And you should have something like this. Okay? Now, if you want to make sure that everything's okay, you can turn it around, and this edge of the ribbon and this edge should be parallel to each other. If they're not, you can just fix them up a little bit. Okay? Now turn it back again, and what we're going to do now is we are going to make the fold in the middle. Okay? So we're going to make an accordion fold, and the way that we do that is that we're going to fold it in half first like this, and then you're going to turn one side, fold one side down, and then the other side you're also going to fold it down like that. So you should have something like this. Okay, and hold on to that tightly. Okay, and grab your needle and your thread, and you're going to push the needle right through the middle. Okay, just make sure it's in the middle and push it down all the way. Okay, and now you're going to wind the thread. Okay, don't wind it too hard. Okay, Just leave it like that, a little bit loose. And now you're going to fix your loops and your ribbon the way you want it to look at the end, okay? So just fix everything up. Just flip your ribbons out a little bit and get them in place like this. Okay, that's looking good. And after you make sure that everything is okay, you're just gonna pull on your thread and then make a knot. Okay, and then just cut that off. And you should have something like this. Now cut these ends to an angle first. Okay, and we are going to heat seal them. Oh, that doesn't look very nice. And let's heat seal them. Okay, we don't want them, the ends to fray. Okay, and we're going to cut this one too. And we're going to heat seal them. Okay, all right, that looks very good. And now we're going to do the center of our bow. So we're going to grab our 5/8 inch wide matching ribbon, and we're just going to make a simple knot like this. I don't like to pull on it very much because the more you pull on it, the smaller the knot will get. So I'm going to leave it just like that. Okay, and we're going to grab our glue gun and just put a dot of glue right there. And just hold it on tightly. Right there. For a second. Okay, now we're going to turn it around. Okay. And I like to put some glue on the sides. Okay, so but before we do that, we're going to pull on both ends of this 5/8 inch grosgrain ribbon, this ribbon, and we're going to pull it and we're going to flip our ribbons out, okay, so that they get in place just how we want them to be at the end. Okay, and now we put the glue on the sides so they just stay in place, and we pull for a while like that. So now you're going to get your alligator clip. You can line your alligator clip with the ribbon that you're using for the center of the bow. It's optional, you can do it or not do it. In this case I didn't line it, but it's okay, you usually don't see it. Okay, and now we're gonna put some glue in the middle right here. And we're gonna put our alligator clip and press it down. Okay, and now we are gonna open it with one of our hands, and we're going to put some glue on one side, and we're going to pass one of the ends of the ribbons right here, and I am going to cut that end because it is too long. And then we are going to pass the other end around. And just press on that and trim the excess ribbon. And I'm going to heat seal that. There we go. Now we are going to fix our loops. And there you go. You should have your boutique hair bow. That looks pretty nice. Okay guys, so thank you. Please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.